guys, Gabrielle here, product expert at Air Compressors Direct, coming at you with another Q&A video. Today we're going to be talking about quiet air compressors and tips for picking out a quiet air compressor. So a lot of questions that I do get from my customers is, what is the decibel rating on this air compressor that they're currently looking at purchasing? Well, a lot of the times manufacturers won't list the decibel ratings, and it's a safe assumption that means they are loud. So manufacturers today have actually come out with silent series air compressors or other silent air technology to really help reduce the decibel ratings that an air compressor does output. So me personally, if you can find an air compressor that's about 75 decibels or less, that's pretty darn quiet for an air compressor. They even have air compressors out there nowadays that are quieter than the current conversation that I am having. So we're going to jump right into it in choosing a quiet air compressor. What's going to work best for you? So that's just it. We're actually going to need to know what your application is, because we have quiet air compressors ranging from your homeowner all the way up to industrial and commercial grade applications. Also, from there, once we know what the application is, we need to know what are we running off of it, tools and machinery. Then from there, the CFM requirements of those tools and machinery. That's going to help us size a compressor for you. That's just a general rule of thumb in sizing air compressors. But since we're looking at quiet ones today, we're still going to need to know that CFM rating in sizing one for you. So like I stated too, we got consumer, contractor, and industrial grade quiet air compressors. So for instance, consumer and contractors, a lot of the times they're going to maybe want to do a small project indoors. Well, we have small air compressors now where you can run inside and you won't even know that they're running. All the way up into industrial and commercial grade applications that noise is going to be a big issue because you're in a big echoey building surrounded by noise all day. The less noise, the better in those situations. So we're going to jump into the website at Air Compressors Direct. And on our main page, one of the quickest ways you can actually go ahead and search for quiet air compressors, it's very simple. Right in the search air compressors, type in quiet air compressors. One of the first things that's going to pop up for you, and right there, you can start searching what's going to work best for you. So again, it all comes back to knowing what your application is. Another way to actually go ahead and search for the best quiet air compressors is check out our how-to library. If you go ahead and click on that right on our main page, there's a simple search how-to library bar right at the top. Again, best quiet air compressors. Go ahead, type it in, click on go. It's going to bring up a few different articles for you. One of them, to help narrow down your options and make it easier for you when selecting, is strictly clicking on the best quiet air compressors article, and we've already done the work for you. We've given you our best selling and our top rated quiet air compressors right off the bat. Or if you want to read and learn a little bit more about silent air technology, we also have an article that is called Bring Down the Noise. That'll go into different decibel ratings, what makes an air compressor loud to begin with, and what manufacturers have done to really reduce those decibel ratings. But if you have additional questions on quiet air compressors, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Our number is on our website, or it's right here, the 866-437-8002. Or go ahead and just check out our website and go ahead and submit a Q&A where I am happy to answer it for you. We appreciate you stopping by, and thanks for watching.